Good day, guys. What's good? I hope everybody is blessed. I hope we're having a good week. So today I just want to mainly do a recap of the Euro USD trade which we took, and I just want to speak mainly on high precision entries using the pin bar candlestick. So if you see when I woke up this day today, I had German 40 on my watch list, which is this chart on my left. I had gold in the center and I had Euro USD on the far right. So what mainly want to highlight is, okay, we're going to go into the multi-time frame analysis. Hey, English. I'm going to go into the multi-time frame analysis um so that I can break down the trade. But my main focus was like on H1 when my London session opened. I wanted to get an edge. So on a German 40, I didn't have anything too solid. Although it actually gave a nice sell, my trading edge was not really present on the setup. Same applies to gold. My edge was present, but I resonated more with EU, which led me to trade Euro USD compared to the other two assets. So this is also something I want to highlight. If you are trading or if you're a day trader, you want to check your watch list first and look for something which has got a pattern which resonates with you. So German 40, I took it off, gold, I took it off, and I focused on Euro USD. So going into the multi-time frame analysis, I'm just going to remove these markings so that I can explain right from the start. So starting from the daily, like we always do, we want to see where our price is um, moving based on the 13 EMA on the daily time frame. This gives us a bias for the month. Like where is the order flow going? Are we bullish? If we're above the 13 EMA, usually means we are bullish. If we are below the 13, it means we are bearish. So if you look at Euro USD, yesterday we had a nice bullish day, considering that we were going sideways for a bit, finding dynamic support on the 13 EMA and also finding support on the previous month's high, as you can see. So price broke and we found support here. We started pushing up. So this gave us a bullish bias for yesterday. This also gave us a bullish bias for today. So with that bias from a higher time frame, next time frame, if you follow us, you know we just jump straight to the H1 to confirm that we are bullish. So here we realize that price actually came and found support again on the previous day's high. These are confluences, right? Previous day's high, we found support. We also found support on the 13 EMA with a pin bar, right? So each time you see confluences on your charts and you get a pin bar candlestick, just know that that setup is going to potentially be a high probability trade. So you can see this actually happened just before our London session opened. So as soon as I saw that this is what I have, my confluences are lining up, my price is trading above the yellow baseline, confirming a bullish move. And we had this bounce off the baseline, just confirming what I was already seeing. So that just like made me confident with this buy setup. So before we go any further, I'm just going to jump into our results so that I can quickly show you what I was looking at and what I shared with the group. Okay, I opened the wrong thing here. Okay, let's just double click it.
The very first thing that a trader has to do is they have to get a hold of their money.
All right, so from here you see this was 926. Let me just go back here. This was 926. We came to the community. We shared what I was seeing. So London session longs on EU this morning. This was the setup I shared. And next, you see me highlighting the London Open, which is 9 o'clock. We had a liquidity sweep, which was that pin bar you saw on H1. So we get another pin bar confirming our entry now on a 1:3 risk to reward trade. And this was our actual trade running on our prop account, and this was the result. So you can see, as long as you understand what's happening from a higher time frame, it becomes a little bit easier to actually come up with your setups. So coming back to our MT5, so H1 is confirmed a pin bar. London session is about to open. What's the next time frame that I need to go to confirm my trades? So usually I go to M15, and what I want to see on M15 is the first close above the 13 EMA. So here the close happened slightly above. Then if you notice, this is yesterday's high, open price, nice price action, an order block broken, already confirming that buy, second order block broken, confirmation of the buy. So since our price is closed, where are we entering now? So you can still enter on M15, but for me, since I like to take my trades within a session and potentially close within that session, I prefer going to the 3-minute time frame or the 5-minute time frame sometimes, depending with how I'll be understanding price. Then soon as I go to the 3-minute, what am I looking for? I'm looking for nameable candles right on my dynamic support. What is a dynamic support? A dynamic support is the moving averages, which for this, I've got the 13 EMA, I've got the 50 EMA, I've got the 200 EMA. So I need to see price finding support on my dynamic zone. So the first sign for me to take a trade was this clean pin bar, confirmed by a break of this order block, which was right here. That was the first entry. So price pushed, retraced, we found support again after another pin bar. So here we got an inside bar. Then price pushed. This push already completed our trade. But again, good thing is if you miss this, as long as your market is trending, you will always get another entry. So price came again, found support. We got a bullish engulfing, came back again, found support. We got an inside bar. Then from there, price just accelerated. So out of these 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe 5, you are only trying to get one perfect entry which resonates with you. So if this resonates with you, you can take that trade. If this resonates with you, you can take that trade. If this resonates with you, you can take that trade. If this resonates with you can take that trade. So you also just want to try keep it simple. Here we also had a break and a retest and the bullish engulfing. That's a bit of a late entry because the first setup was already complete. I wouldn't advise you to get into a trade a bit late. Try to get in when the first pattern presents itself, especially if it's during your kills on time. So these were the entries. And if we are to jump quickly to trading view so that you can see the entry, there we go. So you can see from what I shared, this was the trade. So whether someone entered here and used the stop loss, they could still have taken a 1:3 by the time price got here. If you entered here, you could have closed your trade here. If you entered here, you could have closed your trade here as well, because this would also have given you like a 1:3. If you entered here or here, you could have closed maybe somewhere around here. So this is to just show you that as long as you understand where your price is going, and as long as your price is trending, the main thing you need is a trend. Trend, volume. So how do you get volume? Volume, you find it during your kill zone times or your session times. You need to pick your trading session. So if you're trading in the morning, you want to come to the charts at London Open and look for your setup. As long as you come within your session, chances are there's going to be volume. And if there's volume, chances are there's going to be a trend. And if there's a trend, the next thing you're now looking for is nameable candles. So the pin bar, if you can backtest on the pin bar, that's one of the main candles I want to see for my entries. So if I get a pin bar, if I get a doji, if I get an engulfing bar, like if we're buying or if I get an inside bar, any of these 4 candles appearing on my dynamic support is a kill. Any of those 4 candles appearing within my kill zone is a trade. It's a setup. As long as I've got confluences coming from a higher time frame, easy to trade on a smaller time frame. So I thought, let me do a quick recap, show you guys that you can actually do this if you're still struggling. Just try to look for certain confluences like the pin bar. If the pin bar happens at a point of confluence, like a zone or a dynamic area like a moving average, as long as you've got other confluences, that trade will play out. So pin bar on H1, pin bar on our entry time frame, and it's a wrap. It's a wrap. It's a wrap. It's a wrap. So if you're still struggling with trading, you can still get our course. It's still available, 2025 day trading mastery course. You can also get into our WhatsApp community. We do have a free community. We do have a paid community. If you are a day trader, focus on your kill zone times. This is my London kill zone time. This is my New York morning kill zone time. This is my New York PM session. So New York afternoon session. This is my kill zone. So if you need any of these, just book a one-on-one with me or join our paid community or get the 2025 day trading mastery course, which also comes with a month free mentorship, trading setups, trade management notes, mentorship notes, live trading sessions, signals. It's literally a whole big package and it's value for your money. So if you're still struggling and you need help, just get in touch. Otherwise, I think that's it for me today, guys. I just wanted to share this EU trade and pinpoint the importance of your pin bar and also just understanding how your price is moving for better, precise entries. Enjoy the rest of your day. Good trading.